welcome to MadTwinz channel. What's up, guys? Welcome to MadTwinz channel.
Welcome to the MadTwinz channel.
Yeah, and welcome to another episode of reaction video. Today we will watch the video from Grand Beatbox battle, Loopstation, the final Frosty versus BizKit, the UK versus US. This is crazy, insane, badass. Yeah. So, like, before watching this, important information.
Press the fucking like right now.
Fucking button, like, just subscribe our channel. This is gonna be healthy for us, for develop our channel, to make more views. So this is gonna be nice for us. Press.
Let's go.
If you're not fucker, just press, bro.
Press, bro, please. Press, man.
Okay, enough. Let's start to watch this battle. Let's go.
For
Oh my god.
BizKit.
I so miss GBB. That's so sad that like not come to GBB. That situation.
Fuck that.
Versus
COVID shit.
representing.
Scott Jackson's the best representative, the best showman.
Ladies and gentlemen,
swear.
we're here once again.
I feel the
It's
confidence.
time for the
I feel
Grand
the
Beatbox
confidence.
battle. Gra-
One beatbox.
A lot of equipment.
Already. The crowd making space for the drop, for the slam. Oh. So AC.
A strange motion. Never seen the sky look so alive in my life. Medication, a stimulation. Am I just led, waiting to die? To die, waiting to die, to die, waiting to die, to die.
Ready for the drop.
Very epic.
That seems so sick.
Waiting to die.
Yeah, hard.
Yeah.
Mad crowd.
The crowd is crazy, man.
GBB crowd is always mad. With rivers.
fucking reverse, you know, like so good.
Time.
Not bad, Frosty.
Yeah, sick.
Nice.
Give it up. With the response, BizKit, it's on you. You already know what to do. I say the three, y'all say the two, and the one. Round in three.
Send bass.
Quality is amazing.
Discord gang, represent.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Very clean hi-hat.
By the way, he's using the headphones which won on our battle. Mad Mill. Yeah, we are dynamic.
Mad Mill battle, yeah.
I deserve
Wow.
Wow.
So hard. Hey,
Yeah, dude. By the way, he's just using one device. Insane, bro.
Are you sure one device?
Yeah, one Loopstation.
Oh yeah, just one looper.
Yeah.
Ay, 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 BizKit. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay.
Bass house, I love it.
Time.
Applause.
Yeah, man.
Applause. Wow.
Very good.
Keep it going. It's the
Sick.
finals. Give that energy. Let's go.
Sick.
Come on. Round two, we head back to the UK. Frosty, it's on
Okay,
you. You already know what to
Frosty
do.
replied.
I'll say the three. Y'all say the two and the one. Crowd in three.
Something dangerous gonna be happen.
I really like them. Sometimes like
Minor.
I had minor, mostly minor, and sometimes I had like the goosebumps from the sound.
I like him snares, like a metal. Goosebumps, Frosty.
Brother. I told you.
Beautiful. $30 seconds, we need drop, bro. Good job. Nice, beautiful. Beautiful minor composition. Yeah.
Last round of the finals. Crowd, are you with us? Give it up. Some love. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up.
BizKit, let's go.
BizKit, it's on you. You already know what to do. I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1. Let's get it cracking in 3.
Oh, I know that song. Just remembering our Mad Meal battle that we organized before. Did you remember it?
Yeah, I remember, yeah.
I love him hi-hat. It's so super clean, you know? And snares, everything.
You know it? Got one side saying that I made it, other side telling me I'm underrated, and then I got all of the haters that love me, but trust me, I'm starting to love that I'm hated. And it's honestly not what it seems. I'm not toxic, I'm toxic. I love to see, man, I love you. Only a battle's a battle, you bout to get creamed.
Aye.
God damn it. Beautiful, bro.
Channels to react to this. And the last greatest assassin culture. Pick up the same dead scraps and vultures. Disregard the loop was scrapping for the limelight. Loop star, and I'm feeling like a loop soldier. Woo! Hit you with intensity, complexity, king of the groove. Gonna do me, I got no empathy. Hit him with rhythm and break him. No one better be testing me. Used to be an outcast, now I am exemplary. If that looper, bitch, I'm that looper. Hey, I'm that looper, bitch, I'm that looper. Hey, I'm that looper, bitch, I'm that looper. Loop so nice, no second device. You thought that you were stronger, but no dice.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Hey, hey, yeah, if you don't already know, I'm that Looper 2.0, bitch!
BBK just fall down.
Oh my god!
Just kill. Kill it,
bro.
kill it,
You deserve it for sure.
kill it.
Come on. Come on.
Kill it.
Just kill it, man. Yes. Yes.
Just press and stuff.
Oh
Wow.
my
I
fucking
have
gosh.
no words.
Man, so many cool drops. Wow.
What a battle.
Ladies and gentlemen,
my
the
gosh.
finals for the Loopstation category
BizKit
2021
New level.
Grand
I think Frosty already understood all.
Yeah, in our championship Mad Meal, where like 25 countries participate, and the BizKit got second place.
Sorry, delivery food.
Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, pizza is coming. Yeah, just wanna say this is crazy final. No, and congrats again. Oh, it's Big Mac. Oh my god. McDonald's in 2 a.m. Yeah, later. So just wanna say again, this battle is crazy. The final, wow, so massive. Big up to Frosty, also really good work. Massive shout out to BizKit, he just deserved the first place. And we watched this battle like first time. I remember we watching the live stream, but that was not the same feelings, you know. This
For
is
sure.
different now,
You know, the sound quality is much
yeah,
better.
with
and,
mastering.
everything is much better, yeah.
So just wanna say this is crazy again.
We just congratulations guys for the final, you know, crazy, good job, good preparation, you know, and so a lot of emotions you give us.
Yeah, super excited about GBB 2023. It's gonna be next year. It's not in the Warsaw, it's gonna be in different country. So it's interesting where it happened again.
Don't be lazy, subscribe to our channel, press the like. That was MadTwinz. See you in next episode.